they look pretty new. So here's 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it and let's see if we get any change. If I can. Okay, no change unplugging that one. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one, swap it with this one, and see if our misfire follows. And we'll clear the codes and then we'll recheck. All right. It also smells a lot like fuel from the exhaust. All right, let me shut it down. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and we're at the scan tool again here. And while we have it swapped, since we have documentation of the codes, that's something you always want to do. Make sure you document your codes before you erase them. Okay, let's clear those. It says successful. So let's go ahead and read the codes just to be sure. And no fault codes detected. So that's good. All right, now we're going to try to run it again.